Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine a light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
So, did you get any business done at all?
Well, I got there eventually, but when I got there, I was very tired.
John, did you see the lady?
Yeah, but the boy I had, I wasn't that keen on.
Why?
The boy I had before, he knew the business, but this one, he just kept crying, and it was annoying.
Oh, I'm sorry,
Yeah.
you should have paid her full money then.
Well, what can I do about it? If you were there, it would have been a different story. I just don't want to get into any trouble.
Anyway, listen, next time I'll take you there myself. How about that?
That'll be fine. And this time I'll get a better guy, but can't we get them on campus here? I really don't like the idea of going to town always. It makes me feel like I'm going to get in trouble with the natives.
I don't think so. Besides, you have Jeff around all the time.
Yeah, but Jeff always rolls alongside, like, with me, and he's always got someone with him. It really makes me mad. I just want to tell him, but I can't address the issue with him. It's really annoying.
Anyway, I mean, I understand because, his parents have taken their hands off his case, which means that he takes care of himself, and he needs all the money he can get to pay his way through school.
Yeah, but I can't provide him for all of that.
Yeah, but you can get someone who is quite understanding and doesn't need the money.
But I don't want someone to exploit me again. You know the way that you are with Peter? Peter talks about you a lot, and you don't ask him for money. You're so
Yeah.
great together. It's just that I feel that I need a real friend.
Well, come on, man. It's just a matter of time before you get someone. He will even be willing to take you around town. Who knows? You might not need me anymore.
I'd appreciate that, but I might even have some fun.
You appreciate not needing me anymore, John?
Sun City,
Okay.
Sun City.
So,
The light
anyways,
lights the park and we
I'll
see
call you.
clearly,
Yeah, call me.
yeah.
the shadows
see you later,
in the
okay?
dark
Okay.
could
Don't
not
get in no
be
trouble now.
friendly.
I'm going to enjoy this place.
Sun City, Sun City.
I missed you. Come to me.
Hello.
Hey, John.
My dear friend. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I hope you're enjoying Africa.
I found that new fast food place in, Osu.
That means you've started getting along with people, judging from the last time we talked.
Well, I've made a few friends who will hopefully take me around town, so...
That's really nice. That's really sweet. I'm happy you're enjoying our beloved Africa.
Loving it. But I really like your braided hair. Is it painful?
It isn't at all. Try doing yours one of these days.
Oh, I can't see mine getting done. It's all slippery and not right.
Just take a special scale. Just a matter of time.
I will get mine done if you'll help me to braid mine, so it'll look as beautiful as yours.
I'm sorry, my friend. I'm not a woman. I don't know how to braid.
Do only women braid then?
Not only women braid, but I'm not ready to learn that. I don't know how to braid.
Well, African hair is so beautiful and your hair is so nice.
I'm black and I'm proud. Black is beautiful.
Well, I think some of us are starting to get to appreciate that.
That's no news. Woman that
Do
I
you sit
found-
here and play often?
Not really. I usually go to the music studio.
Oh, you play often?
I'm preparing for a concert.
Ah, it sounds like a good night.
Yeah. It will be a night to behold.
Huh. I'll be gladly coming to that.
Woman that I found.
I have to go to a lecture. I will see you soon, yeah?
All right, bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Yeah. In spite of everything, I still believe people are really good at heart. The nature of men is always the same. It is their habits that separate them.
Those mad boys. I'm still thinking of my next move to pull them down.
Which boys?
Tiger and Limpet, of course.
Don't worry. We'll find a way of dealing with these guys. Since we cannot directly report them to the authorities, because we played alongside them in their illegal dealings with us. We just have to be careful, that's all.
I don't want to hear the names of those boys in my room. Can we just change the topic?
Hey, so Aisha, if you were in my shoes, would you forget?
I'm not in your shoes and I won't be in your shoes. You put yourself in those shoes. Either ways, I'm sorry about that. Hey, but have you heard? What are you people doing about the upcoming concert?
Waiting to get tickets. What else?
So because of one concert that is going to flop, I can't talk again, eh?
Please, listen. The show is going to be great and big. I don't know about the organizers, but I know Kasapa is one of the sponsors, for sure.
Well, get your information right then.
I know something about the concert though. I'm just that Malon is going to perform.
Hey, that guy is really getting bigger.
And you know the one who walks around campus with the guitar. Well, I think
It's the guy with the guitar anyway.
Please, that's my buddy Timothy.
Hey, Aisha, since when did he become your friend?
What do you mean? Do you follow me everywhere?
No, I'm sorry.
Thank you. You don't even know the kind of friends I make in a day, so don't even start.
But you don't even talk about this.
I am talking about him now.
Look, talking about him is not enough proof that he's your friend.
So you guys, you've been planning, eh? You are jealous.
Huh?
You are jealous.
About what? For the real?
Because Timothy is my friend.
Am I missing something or I'm just not getting something right here? How on earth will Esinam be jealous of you simply because you are friends with some weird self-conceited guitar player? And I also can minim nana.
He's going to be working with Batsman.
The Netish Jable brothers.
Whatever. The most important thing is that he's going to be a star soon.
And to Sun City, a star is born. A Rama Nightingale.
All because he might feature in some concert that might not even come on. Look, if it were Malon you were talking about, we would understand.
Have you seen Malon on the streets of Sun City lately? He's in the studio recording. He's been swamped by guards. Even his own friends need appointment to see him. Share. As for me, I'll be gliding on the same level to hobnob with the celebrities who are coming for the show, minus the protocol. Me, my destiny is going to change. With just one link with any of these celebrities, and I'm gone. And that is what dear Timothy is going to be doing for sweethearts.
But why Timothy? I mean, you hardly see him with ladies anyway.
You see, that's the point. Timothy is a kind of guy that only few women get the nerve to befriend. He's very, very choosy. That one, I can assure you, about those he talks to. But I have him wrapped under my fingers. I have promised him to be his lead vocalist.
Hey, but Aisha, you don't even have a good voice.
Who even said you can sing? Talk less of recording the music.
I just want to be his friend. To get through to Malon. Maybe one of those rich producers will just sweep me off my feet, get a record deal, and I'm a star.
Miss Aisha Nightingale.
Thank you. That's the fun part. To prove a point, get noticed first, and you become irresistible.
Please, if you want to come in and don't break the door.
I'm sorry if I disturbed you.
No. That's okay. I thought it's one of those foolish boys who don't know their left from their right. I didn't know it's a pretty lady like you. Any message for me? Hey, can I help you? Look, just say it. I'll try everything in my power to make sure it's done. Just say it and consider it done.
Well, thanks for your show of conscience.
Good.
But I came in to look for
Who?
I'm looking for Timothy.
You? Why? I mean, how? That weird boy. Look, that boy is unpredictable. As you can see, he's not even in this room. He comes in and disappeared unnoticed. And I wonder why young girls of today don't look for real men. Eh?
I took his notebook from class and I came to return it and say thank you.
Why didn't you collect my own? Okay. Look, I'll give you my notebooks. Then you take them and return them and say thank you.
But you and I don't take any course together.
Oh, that's simple. Look, I will come and register the course with you tomorrow. And I will copy all the notes for you. You don't have to return it.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Yes, Timothy. This young lady here said she took your book and she's returning it. And actually, I wanted to collect it and deliver it to you.
Do you remember me now?
Well, the face looks familiar. But can the lady remind me of where and when I've come across this face of Africa?
You and I take psychology class together.
That class is indeed large.
I was the one who took your notebook because I missed some lectures.
Yes. I remember thee now. You even said you want some guitar lessons.
Yes.
That's why I give you my notes.
And you, Timothy, when did you become a guitar lesson teacher? I've never seen you teach anybody guitar in this room before.
Well, if the noise is going to be a problem, it's okay. We can always use my room.
No, please, look. For you, I don't mind. You can come into this room and make all the noise you want. In short, noise made by beautiful ladies like you sound melodious in my ears. They don't disturb me at all.
Thank you, and I appreciate that.
Oh, yes, I'm a Christian, and we have to show the love of God. And now that Timothy is around, will you please now sit down?
Thank you. I was already on my way out. Timothy, if I could just...
Sorry I didn't attend to you well. Actually, I'm just from the music studio, so...
Well, I think I've attended to it very well. And I'm ready to entertain her if you want to stay. I'll volunteer to.
Thank you very much for your unsolicited consent.
Godfred.
Okay.
Godfred Ayengo.
Okay.
I think the lady does not want to be disturbed.
Is she complaining?
Are you incapable of reading between the lines?
What lines? Do I do your music with you?
Oh, my name is Aisha.
Oh, what a name of an angel. That's my mother's name. She's a very beautiful woman. Look, my mother was the prettiest in her days. And all the men from far and near were looking for her in marriage. But at last, she said, oh, Mama, I won't back. Oh, baby, before I won't rest in peace again.
Oh, how sweet.
You remind me of my mother.
It is strange what a man may do, and still a woman thinks of him as an angel. Shall we go?
Sure.
Anyways, someone introduced me to this nice-looking guy yesterday. I'm sure you like him when you see him. I actually asked him to come and meet with you today.
Really? Well, I'll wait till I see him.
Till you see him? Anyway, he's big. And when I say big, you know what I mean by big. He's tall, dark, and handsome. I know you definitely like him. I asked him to come and... Oh, speak of the devil. There he is. James. Oh.
Nice to meet you. Heard so much about you. I've been waiting to see you. You look beautiful. You're so nice. I think I like you.
I don't know if I want to do this.
Do what, John?
It's just that I think we should please leave this place. This is not the right place to discuss this.
You know what? Really, there's nothing to talk about now. It's just the chemistry between us that matters. Can't you feel it?
You see, to me there is no chemistry, and that's the point. There's none. I'm sorry, but there's nothing there.
You see, he's confused. Let's get down and let me show you how good I can be. I'm a good man. Let me show you, boy.
Desire, what's this? Please, I'm cool with you. I'm just not interested.
James. Charlie. Listen up. Come on, man. You flop. Charlie, let's go. It doesn't matter. Okay.
All right.
E. A. D. and another E. Did I try?
Good. You're not doing badly at all, at least for the first time.
Thank you.
Let's try something else. Okay, touch this and play. Just press it down and play. Let it sound distinct.
Okay. Like that?
Good.
Okay.
Good. Play this one too. No, with this finger. Let's try and do something. Yeah? And play.
You know what? I want you to play something I can sing to. It doesn't have to be anything special, just anything I can sing to.
Never give up, never give up, I shall. Never give up, never give up, I shall. Never give up, never give up, I shall.
Well, I'm not giving up, okay? I'm just tired, that's all. I just want to...
Hey.
Sorry.
Hey, Brady.
It's just a mistake. I'm just tired. Look, my fingers are kind of stiff, and I'm thinking if you could just pull them for me. Thank you. Yeah, that one.
If you are that tired, I think we have to leave now and practice another time.
You know, I can manage it.
Hey, no, woman. Your brain can take no more practice. Let's go.